This can actually happen. But with a DHS air main charging system from KAESER Kompressoren, you are always on the safe side. It assures optimal flow speed of the compressed air in your system, which is of particular importance following weekends or operating breaks between shifts. With a DHS air main charging system, the restarting compressors can push air against the defined network pressure air as fast as possible. KAESER Kompressoren offers a specifically developed electronic air main charging system that avoids high flow speeds in the network through incremental opening and closing of the system. All of your station components are treated gently and without overloading, thanks to the KAESER air main charging system. Air main charging systems are essential for applications requiring a reliable supply of high-quality compressed air. They help assure consistently high production quality. Upgrade your station with air main charging systems from KAESER. KAESER Kompressoren. We deliver what we promise.